This video is brought to you by videogcse.com. This is question 3 now on the Edexcel 2009 paper. Let's see. In the diagram, all measurements are in centimeters. The lengths of the sides of the triangle are x plus 6. Yeah, I can see x plus 6 here. 2x minus 3. Here's 2x minus 3. And 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1. Okay, so it says find an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of the triangle. Give your expression in its simplest form, and this is worth 2 marks. Okay, so they'll probably give 1 mark for writing an expression for the perimeter of this triangle, and then they'll probably give an additional mark for writing that expression in its simplest form. Okay, don't be concerned if you don't understand x and what that's all about. X is simply a letter that's standing for an unknown number. So we don't know what that number is right now, but they don't ask us to find that just yet. They just ask for an expression. Okay, well, to find the perimeter of a triangle, the perimeter, you can think of a perimeter fence around a prison or a field that you want to enclose. The perimeter is the edge that goes around a triangle. So we simply have to add up the length of this line here, one line of the triangle, the length of the another line of the triangle, and the length of the third line of the triangle, which are given to us very handily here: x plus 6, 2x minus 3, and 3x plus 1. We simply have to add those three up and write it in its simplest form. So x plus 6 plus 2x minus 3 plus 3x plus 1. We need to add these three up. They equal, let's add up the x's. That's x plus 2x, it gives us 3x, plus 3x gives us 6x. And let's now add up the numbers. We can't add the unknown number to the numbers. We can't add the x's to the numbers. So x plus 6 doesn't equal 6x. 6x is 6 times that number. And obviously a number times 6 is not the same as a number plus 6. Okay, so we have to add we've added the unknowns, the x's. Now we're going to add the numbers, the knowns. So here's 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 leaves 3. 3 plus 1 gives 4. 6x plus 4. Okay, here's the expression of the perimeter, and here it is in its simplest form. We were asked to give your expression in its simplest form, and we have 6x plus 4. Hopefully that's correct. We said it was worth 2 marks. Let's see. Here's the mark scheme. Yeah. Yes. Okay, there's the working that they expected to see. 2x minus 3 plus x plus 6 plus 3x plus 1. Okay, they've added them up in a different order. I added them up in the order they were given, but it's all the same. Adding doesn't matter what order you do it in. Okay, 6x plus 4 is the answer. There's 6x plus 4. Mark was 2. If you got this correct, give yourself 2 marks. You would get 1 mark, however, give yourself 1 mark if you wrote down the working, something like 2x minus 3 plus x plus 6 plus 3x plus 1. If you wrote down the 3 sides added up, if you showed that you knew that the perimeter of a triangle was adding the 3 sides. You would also get 1 mark if you wrote down 6x plus k. K is just some number. So if you wrote down 6x plus 5, 6x plus 3, and you didn't write down 6x plus 4, that's fine. You would still get 1 mark. You would get full marks in A1 if you wrote down 6x plus 4. It says condone P equals 6x plus 4. So if you wrote down P, which I assume stands for perimeter, you would get full marks if you wrote down P equals 6x plus 4. I just wrote down 6x plus 4. But you would not get full marks if you wrote down x equals 6x plus 4 or 0 equals 6x plus 4. You'd get 0 marks for that. So give yourself 0 marks if you got those answers. Okay, and that's how we do part A, and in the next video we'll move on to part B of this question. Thank you for watching this video courtesy of videogcsc.com.